Today we're in the DKS 3.5 machine shop making Spam burgers. So let's get into it. So I got all my ingredients laid out here. Got 2.5 ounces of 80/20 ground chuck. Go to your local butcher shop, get the best beef you can. I know I sound like a broken record, but so much better than the supermarket and it's cheaper. And the hot and spicy Spam, let's get into it. It's gonna take the longest, let's get it on there. One nice thick slice is about 3/8 of an inch. Now let's hit the griddle with some nonstick. You can do this on the stove top and a skillet too. Get a nice sizzle. Then we will get our bun on. Want some color. Get the pineapple on too. Get a little charring effect. Been about a minute. Let's get the beef on. Smash it down. Off with the parchment. A little seasoning. Hit it with Johnny's on this side. If not, salt and pepper. All the link in the description for where you can get Johnny's if you can't find it. Best burger seasoning out there. And then we check our Spam. Yep, getting some nice griddle marks. Like that. Check our bun. Perfect. Perfect. And then we flip our pineapple. Look at that gorgeousness. Okay, time to give our burger a flip. Oh, gorgeous. Smash it down a little. Hit this side with a little bit of Johnny's. More salt and pepper. Now let's get our mayo going. So I'm gonna do about 2 tablespoons mayo, regular mayo. And then we got my spicy teriyaki sauce. All the recipe video linked at the end cards of this one. Once again, I'm gonna go about 2 tablespoons too. Go. Give that a little mix. Then cheese on. Get my Spam a little closer together. And we're putting cheese on the Spam too. Oh yeah. Get it centered. My OCD in me. All right, so mayo on the bottom bun. Mayo mixed with spicy teriyaki sauce. Yo. Get good coverage. Burger patty on. I'm gonna go with the pineapple in between. And then the Spam. My onions, a little bit of shredded iceberg lettuce, some potato sticks for just a little more added crunch. What a glorious mess this is. This is gonna be fantastic. Going for this corner right here. Bunch of everything. The Spam with the teriyaki and the burger. Fantastic. Make this. Until next time, enjoy. Bye. I gotta have another bite. There's the pineapple. What a mess. But so worth it. Make this. You'll thank me.